Gunnar Sevart with Washington Capital Partners, and today we're in Montgomery County taking a look at one of our borrowers' latest rehabs. It's a 5-bedroom, 4-bath, 2,600 square foot home in Rockville, Maryland. Let's go take a look. So in addition to updating the dining room, the borrower also demoed the wall that used to be here, which allowed flow to the entranceway, creating a more open concept feel. So the space that I'm currently standing in used to be an underutilized breakfast nook. The borrower saw an opportunity to expand the kitchen by adding the island, as well as create an entertainment space with lots of natural light. As you can see, the master bedroom is very large with lots of natural light. The borrower decided to use an accent wall to give the space more definition, as well as create a sort of anchor for the room. All the bathrooms were outdated by 40 years with pastel tiles and shower tub combinations. But the borrower understood the local market and transformed them into the contemporary grayscale style you see here. Thanks for joining us today. Make sure to like, share, and comment below. And if you'd like to talk to a lending expert about your next project, make sure to check us out at www.wcp.team.